Hi guys, welcome back to Celebville Entertainment. Please make sure that you like and you also subscribe to this channel. Guys, do you still remember Unara Smith? The famous Nara Smith. She is famous on TikTok, famous on Facebook. She's just a famous influencer, okay? She's married, she's a mother, she is just everything and also a copycat, Sana. She is also a copycat. So Nara was trending, I think, in 2024, 2025. She was trending for stealing Onezwa's content to Onezwa Mbola, who is also famous on TikTok as well as Facebook. She is famous for starting her own meals from scratch. She is growing veggies and stuff in her garden, and then she makes meals from scratch. Nara Smith is also doing the same thing now, and she has been copying her meals. And guess what? She has copied Ke this year. Earlier this year, Onezwa Mbola announced that she is releasing her cookbook, and she was so excited, man. Even when she did her first unboxing, she did it live with us, watching on TikTok. She was so happy. She saw the first copy along with us on the video, so you could see Guti. It was just genuine excitement. Nje ajabulile ukuya how. 3 months after that, Unara Smith is also releasing a cookbook. Like, no one can convince me that this is just a coincidence. There's no way. Like, there is really no way. So, Unara Smith Naye now is also releasing her cookbook. She is marketing it, she is posting it, on TikTok. There's a video that I saw. She was being interviewed, I think, and then she mentioned ukuthi she's releasing a cookbook like njani. Njani. This is not a coincidence, guys. And her fans keep saying, no, it's just a coincidence. Everyone has a right to release a book. And I'm like, that's just not it. There's no way. You've trended before for stealing Onezwa Mbola's content. And then now she is releasing a book. You are also releasing a book. Like, njani. Now the only thing that is left of Nara Smith is to cut her hair. Nje, abe nechiskop. Because she is always copying Onezwa, and I don't know what's the deal behind that, Desana. Like, is it really, really hard to just think of your own thing? Because I don't think it's that hard. So now, here you have it, guys. Nara Smith has done it again. She is now copying Onezwa Mbola with releasing a book. Now, so it is really going down. It is really going down. I wonder what Onezwa is going to say about this, because, son, this is pure madness. Like, for real. It is really madness. She is so obsessed with the Onezwa, and it's getting serious. Like a whole book. Hey, kuningi sha. Konke off la, angeke.